Let's take a look at the program Smart Imagebase. Select the section Electronic Library Databases and Foreign Databases. We need to find Smart Imagebase and go to the list Resources of EBSCOhost. If you enter to this program at home, you will need special login and password. We see the list of EBSCO here. EBSCOhost Research Databases, New Publication Finder, EBSCO Discovery Service, and click the button Smart Imagebase. Smart Imagebase is a program which has interactive content on medicine. We see medical animations, medical illustrations, lesson plans, most popular, and so on. Let's click the item Anatomy and Physiology. If you choose the link All Content Types, we see few sections. You can choose type of content here, for example, or medical animations or medical illustrations, and so on. You can change the language here. Now, let's choose one of them, which is called, for example, Anatomy of Shoulder Bones. Put the cursor on the picture and see a brief description of one, and when this content was updated. Let's click the green button and we see next picture, information about condition, additional buttons, related content, keywords, and mesh codes. But the most important part here, additional buttons. They help you cite this item. If you use this picture, for example, for your coursework or article. The button such as share helps you share content through email or social networking sites. The button download helps you to get the item on your computer. Add to Lightbox is button helping for you to save picture for later, but you need to have personal account here for this. The function Add to Lightbox helps you to return to content again and don't lose it. Let's try to search for something, for example, diabetes. And we see 67 results, the different animations and 3D models. Let's choose diabetes type 2 among the results of searching for.
Type 2 diabetes is a condition in which your blood sugar level is too high.
We see video with sound, text, and we see another different options which I mentioned before. In the top right, we have button Browse, where you can choose sections for searching information or content. Browse the content type, medical specialties, body systems, browse by language. The section Monographs are illustrated articles that provide overviews of health conditions. The section Most Popular, you can see what people are watching the most and what content people are using the most. Let's choose body systems and the item back and spine. You can get more detailed information about systems of human here. It is a really good way for learning anatomy and the different diseases and conditions of human. I finished my video. I hope it was really useful and helpful. Thank you for your attention.